Today, I am giving you a tour of 1926 East Osborn Road, Unit 1 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this charming 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home in Phoenix. As you enter, you're immediately greeted by beautiful tiled floors that run throughout the entire home, creating a cohesive and easy-to-maintain space. Conveniently, the laundry area is located right in the unit and comes with a washer and dryer. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. The kitchen, which is just off the dining area, is bright and fresh, featuring classic white cabinetry, plus all the essentials to make cooking easy and enjoyable. One of the best features of this home is its fantastic location. It is just minutes away from the vibrant energy of downtown. Plus, with easy access to the freeways 51 and 10, you can easily commute to work, enjoy weekend activities, or explore everything the area has to offer. As you can see, natural light pours in through the windows, enhancing the airy and welcoming feel of the home. This home is a perfect blend of charm, convenience, and location. Schedule a tour today.